old. I'm 1, 2, 3. Yes, great job. Okay, now Pinky, what color is this? It's wow. What about this? It's pink. Very good. Lastly, what's this? Wow! Boom! Are you cold? Wow, your hands are cold. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, here, Pinky. Let's start. Okay, show me your little finger. Show me your little finger. Yes, this is your little finger. What is this? This? It's a book. Next. Swing. Yeah, correct. Next. Uh-oh. Next. Pause a little. Mind, pause, because it's... Alright. Pinky, what about this one? It's a monkey. Yes. Sand? No. What is this? Sand? Cat?
Castle.
Great. Next. It's a...
flower. Rayon.
Wow. Impressive. Next.
It's a slide. It's a seesaw.
Seesaw. Yay. Next. Let's move to colors. Okay? Okay. Show me your little finger. Tell me what's this.
It's a green.
It's a green.
It's a red.
Red. Perfect. Next.
It's a brown.
Yes.
It's a
Wow! Yay! Now let's move on to numbers. Okay, here first. What number is this?
it's number 1, number 3, number 4, number 2,
Number 4. Big number. Number 3.
number 3,
Number.
number 2,
Number.
4,
Number.
3,
Number.
1.
Yes! Great job, Pinky. Great job. Next, let's move on to command. Which one is stop? Stop. Okay, stop. Stop.
It's a stop.
Yes. Next. Which one is stand up? Stand up.
It's a stand up.
Very good. Next. Which one is turn around?
It's a around.
Good. Next. Which one is lay in the sandbox?
Play in the sandbox.
Wow, Pinky, you're doing great. Next. Which one is slide down the slide?
Down the slide.
Can I see? Let me see. Wow, correct again. Let's see here. Which one is swing on the swings?
The wind and
Very